Hey there, today I have this 2-pack of rubber strap wrenches that were sent over to me from the brand to share with you guys. So these are going to be good for things like opening jars, which we'll get to in a minute, but also think about other places for these, like maybe you keep one in the toolkit, so if there's some kind of plumbing issue that you need help with, or even the car if you change your own oil and have a hard time getting off that oil filter. So let's take a closer look at them. So to adjust the strap, this lever gets pressed here that lowers this, and then this can be adjusted to fit whatever jar or item that you are trying to get it around. So to open a jar lid, I simply put the strap around the top of the jar, then tightened it down using that lever. Once it was tightened on there, I turned it counterclockwise to open it easily without any issues. Again, these are great for using on jars. Think about keeping one in the garage for things like oil filters and other mechanical needs. If you are looking for something to give you just a little more torque, then I hope this video helps you decide if these are a good product for you.